Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taisha. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I just remembered in my Target shop with me, I stayed like this like the whole intro, and I don't know, someone pointed it out and I couldn't stop laughing. But today's video, I am going to Walmart, my favorite store. I used to go there all the time before like the pandemic and stuff, so every time I go I get super excited. You guys, do not sleep on Walmart. I have done a lot of Walmart videos and also a lot of like Walmart fashion hauls and try on hauls, so make sure you guys check that out if you haven't yet. So today we're gonna be doing a mini shop with me vlog, and I will show you guys everything I get. It's a lot of beauty, self-care, and all that stuff. But before we get started, I do want to show you guys my outfit. So let me show you guys. So here is my outfit of the day. I love these pants that I'm wearing. These are from Missguided. They're just like super long pants, and like, I don't know what they're called, I don't even know. They're not called high waters, but I forget the name. But yeah, they're from Missguided. They're from the tall section. I am 5'7" and they fit perfect. I'll link them below if I can find them. And then this tank top right here is from JLux Label. I love that store. Every time they have sales, I always buy like a couple of things. They have really good basics. And then for my jewelry today, I'm wearing this Target earrings. I like them because they're like thin, so they don't hurt my ear. And then this right here, it's from an Instagram store. I found them because they are like all about sustainability and stuff, so they like repurpose like designer things that people I guess throw away. I don't know why they would throw it away, but yeah, they like sell little like chokers and stuff. So yeah guys, that is my OOTD of today. Now let's pretend I look like this going to Walmart. So I finally made it to Walmart. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's actually a really pretty day. It's been raining the past like 2 days, which I hate. I actually hate when it rains. A lot of people like it. For me, it kind of makes me sad. I don't know why, but yeah. But I made it to Walmart. Let's see what I can find today. I definitely need a couple of things like self-care products. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I end up getting. I've been looking for these candles everywhere. I actually cannot smell them. I'm not taking off my mask, but I am gonna go ahead and try them out because they're so inexpensive. They're $9.97 and they look very like, I guess like aesthetically pleasing. So I think I'm gonna go with this one, the calm one. I also want to try this one, the relax one, with lavender, jasmine, and the other thing, I don't know how to say that. And then this one has coconut, citrus, and amber. But this one looks really pretty, so I think I'm gonna get this one. Let me know if the other ones smell good. But yeah, they look really nice and super inexpensive. I also been wanting this thing right here because I've been drinking lemon and water. I love doing that to like, kind of makes me feel, when I feel like really bloated, I like to do that and it makes me feel a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. This is only $2.98, and you see it says like, I guess it gives you like motivation in a way. But yeah, I highly recommend you guys buy something like this. Add lemons and cold water and it tastes really good. I feel like the water has to be cold. If not, water doesn't taste the same if it isn't cold. I also found this for $15. It's like a essential oils. I like doing this too because it really does like relax me and stuff, especially at night. But I already have one. Walmart has really good like candles and things like that. Okay, so I also found this cup right here. It's from that brand, in case you guys want to see if you can find it online. It's like a marble cup and it was only $1. And then I also found this, which is a food chopper. I think this is $5. At least that's what it said. I'm gonna double check, but I want this. I'm gonna get this. I'm not gonna get this because I'm not a coffee person. You guys know, no me gusta el café. So I came to see if I find any cute earrings or accessories from Walmart. You guys, don't sleep on Walmart fashion, I'm telling you. You can find some really cute like hidden gems like this. What? Oh my god, you guys, I'm like dropping everything on me. This right here, it's a multi-wear wrap. So in case you guys are into that, they have like a lot of different designs. I don't know if you guys remember this skirt. I ended up keeping it and I'm just gonna wear it with the cardigan, and it's $14.98. Make sure you guys go and check that video out. I'll definitely do another Walmart try on haul for the spring. I'll definitely do another try on haul for the spring when spring comes around, because it's still January. Well, it's about to be February, but I can never say that word. February, okay? But yeah, so I don't see anything new. I'm gonna go ahead and head over to the oh my god, to the self-care area. Okay, so this powder right here, you guys, do not sleep on this powder. It is $9.98 and it's one of the best ones. It makes your makeup look like really flawless. I feel like that one's like a new product that not a lot of people are talking about. I also really like the Maybelline brow pencil. That one's really good, like the really thin one. Let me see if I can find it. Is it out of stock? I think it's out of stock right now. Oh no, it's right here. It's this one, the micro defining one. $6.97 and it's really good as well. So I found all the new e.l.f. makeup. I did a whole video in case you guys haven't seen it. It's the e.l.f. Mint Melt collection. If you guys have seen it, or if you guys haven't seen it, make sure you guys go and check it out. But yeah, I did a review on all the products. There's like a lot of people passing by, so I'm trying to like hurry up. But yeah, definitely check out that video. Let me see what else there's new. I hate how they have it all the way over there because I can't really talk. There's like so many people passing by. Oh, I also tried this out already. I actually gave it to my mom. I bought the shade Your Go-To, which look like a nude shade, but actually on the lips it's like a really pretty like pink color. My mom really likes them and they last a really long time. The only bad thing, yeah, this one's closed. You always want to make sure they're closed because people at Walmart love swatching things. And this are $7.97. Highly recommend you guys pick this out. I feel like my Walmart right now, it's very like, they have all the products. And I'm also noticing all this new CoverGirl things. You guys, this liquid lipsticks are also really good. This one's my favorite shade, Cafe Latte. I have to say it fancier, but yeah, these ones are really nice. Let me see if I can find a new color to get. I just feel like the drugstore doesn't release that many nudes. And then right here, it's all the new Physicians Formula things. I actually already bought them from Target. I'm gonna do a whole video about it. And I already reviewed the All-Star palette, but Physicians Formula is really good. And the matte collection is also really good. But yeah, we'll be reviewing and doing like a whole video about that. You guys, it's so funny seeing people's reaction when I'm talking to myself, but they just don't get it. I get a little bit nervous or like shy, but I have to get over that. I'm seeing that they have like new concealers from Neutrogena. They're the Healthy Skin Radiant Cream Concealer. I don't know if you guys remember this foundation. A lot of people used to like it. Personally, me, I have oily skin, so it never like worked for me. But I'm gonna try this concealer out. Let's see. It's only, well, $12.97, so it's kind of pricey. But they do have like new makeup removers. This one is a makeup remover. Ooh, melting balm. I honestly use the Korean one because K Skincare has changed like my skin. But this one is, I can't even open it. It's like closed. Let me see. It's $9.97 and it's like a drugstore makeup remover melt. I'm not gonna try it out because I already have one. But yeah, let me know if that one works. And then they also have this new like foundation for $12.97. Alright guys, so I am back. Here's everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed that mini shopping vlog. I honestly found a bunch of really cool things. So I'm gonna start talking to you guys about the beauty things and then we can like move forward. So the first thing I got is this sponge right here. This is by BioBlender by Equal Tools. It's 100% biodegradable makeup sponge. You can even plant it. It even says right here you can plant it. So this is what it looks like. It was, I believe, $5. So I'm really excited to try it out, and it's just really cool how you can plant this. I just find it like really amazing. So I will let you guys know if it's soft and, you know, an actual good blender. But I already love how they're moving towards that, you know, direction. So I'll definitely try it out in like testing new drugstore makeup. And then I also got some lashes. This is from Kiss. It's the lash glue liner, which honestly I can't really use that, mostly because it has latex. They still haven't released one that hasn't, like, it's in latex free. So I honestly just got it for the lashes because they look really nice, and the price was like $4 for this, so it wasn't expensive at all. And they just look like really pretty, like wispy lashes. Hopefully they're good. That's what they look like right there. I feel like it's so hard to find good drugstore lashes. I pretty much like struggle with that a lot. Most of my lashes are all online. Even affordable ones like Beauty Creations, those are really good, but you have to buy them online. Walmart also, oh, Salon Perfect. Salon Perfect are really, really good though. And then I also found a new foundation. This is the CoverGirl Outlast Extreme Wear 3-in-1 foundation. It says it has full coverage, SPF 18, and it has sunscreen, I believe, and I got it in the shade Golden Tan. That's what it looks like. I love the packaging. It's like a really fun bright orange shade. And then hopefully it comes with the pump. I think it does come with, yeah, it does. It comes with the pump. Let me know if you guys have tried this foundation out. It's supposed to give you a 24-hour wear, sweat proof, humidity proof, and also covers imperfections. It's a primer, concealer, and foundation in one. So super excited to test out a matte foundation, because I feel like the brands are forgetting about us oily girls and they're not really seeing like that many matte foundations. I did see that Huda Beauty reformulated one of my favorite foundations ever, so I will definitely be doing a video on that, comparing both of them. And then I also got this right here from CoverGirl. It's called the Outlast Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. I have talked to you guys about this before. I love the shade Cafe Latte. I feel like that one, it's like one of the prettiest nude shades that you can find at Walmart. So this one right here, I got it in the shade Love You Mocha. It's like a really pretty pinky shade, but like neutral at the same time. Look at that. It's like a really nice pinky nude warm tone shade, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like this. And this looks like a really good everyday color, especially with the brown lip liner. I feel like it's gonna look really nice. If you guys haven't tried this formula, it's very lightweight. I do feel like sometimes it can be streaky, so you have to wait for like one layer to dry down and then apply another one. But CoverGirl lipsticks are super long wearing. This from Neutrogena said it was new, but then I looked it up online and it was released last year. So I think I am gonna be returning this because I feel like it was open. I just have a feeling and I just want to be safe and just order it online. So this is the Neutrogena Radiant Cream Concealer. It's the healthy skin one. I got this in the shade Cashew, or no, Hazelnut medium 1. This, I got it because it reminds me a lot of the Dior concealer. I just picked this one up from Sephora. I just feel like they gave me the same vibe. I don't know why, but I feel like this is gonna be a dupe. And I haven't even tried it, but in my head I feel like it's gonna be a really good dupe. And I love finding drugstore dupes, you know, to save some money, especially when it comes to makeup. So let me know if you guys have tried this out. It looked really good in store. I think it said it was like medium coverage. It said like all the things right there. But yeah, this is new. I don't know why it said it was new. Maybe they added more shades. I'm not too sure. I also got this new Maybelline mascara. You guys, I love this mascara. It's definitely worth the hype. If you have really like short lashes like I do, this is gonna be your best friend. I love mascaras that are really like thin and just like enhance your lashes. So this is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara in the shade Black is Black. I think I have it right here. Look, see? I bought another one. I feel like they're hard to find online, so if you see one, definitely get it. But you guys see how thin it is? That makes your lashes look really like long and lengthening. I think I'd rather have a lengthening mascara than volumizing. Some people like mixing them both in. This I have never tried, but I saw online and it had really good reviews. It's by Found. It's a makeup setting spray with red tea and it's supposed to mattify your skin. It was, I believe, $9. And this brand, it's a clean beauty brand if I'm not mistaken. It says right here it's made in the US, so I'm not too sure if this is gonna work. It had really good reviews, so I want to like spray it with you guys on camera because you guys know this sprayer sometimes be playing us. Let me see. I'm scared. Okay, no, this one actually sprays nicely. And I don't think it has a scent. So is this brand good, you guys? I don't know if it's good or not. I never heard anybody talking about it. It says it locks in makeup while controlling excess oil and shine, which we all know I need, and hopefully it works. If not, it's going back to the store. And then I have a couple of like self-care things I got. Oh, I forgot to show you guys my body wash. I think I showed you guys on the clip. I did buy it and I did use it already. I used it today in the morning by Dove. It smells really, really good. I'll just put a picture right here of it because I'm too lazy to get it. But it smells really good and it's super creamy. I just love testing out new body washes and new like hygiene products at the drugstore. It's one of my favorite things to do. Ever since last year, I've been like loving to test out new products. So yeah, I got that body wash from Dove. Highly recommended. If you guys haven't tried any Dove body washes, they just make your skin feel really, really smooth. And then I also got this right here from L'Oreal. It's the 8 Wonder Water. If you guys haven't tried this, highly recommend you guys try it out. I think when I first introduced you guys to this product, I bought it at Target and I was first testing it out. So here's like the update a couple months later. So instantly detangles shinier and healthier looking hair. It's softer and smooth and manageable, and I do have to agree. But like I said, it does make your hair a little bit too smooth. So if you have curls, I would just say stay away from this product. Or maybe you would like it, but me personally, since my hair isn't like super defined curly, well, me personally, since my hair isn't super defined like curly, when I do want to wear a curly, I don't use that product. But other than that, I do like it, and I just feel like I go through it really fast because I do have very long hair naturally. My hair is naturally this long, you guys. I don't even wear extensions anymore. I stopped wearing them a really long time ago, mostly because they're not long enough, and then the ones that are long enough are super expensive, so I'd rather not. And then last couple of things I got is this thing. I showed you guys this on the clip. It's a food shopper, multi-blade design to blend ingredients. This was only $5. I always wanted one of these, but I never wanted to spend the money. So when I found this, I was super happy. And it's only $5. So when I'm trying to, you know, make some recipes and stuff, I can finally have that. And then the last thing I got is this candle. Really pretty, aesthetically looking. This is the Calm Coconut, Citrus, and Amber Coconut Wax Blend. I don't know why I can never talk in my videos, but this is what it looked. I don't know why I went like that. You guys cannot even smell it, but it smells. I went like that. It smells really good. It smells like coconut. You know what it smells like? It smells like conditioner. It just smells like conditioner, I'm telling you. Yeah, it smells like conditioner. It smells really good and like light and just like how conditioner smells. So this just looks really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and put it over there. All right, guys, so that is all I have for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Walmart beauty self-care haul. I'll try to have everything listed below if I can find it. If not, just check out your local Walmart. But yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me, you guys. I hope you guys are having a beautiful start of your week. I haven't posted because of school, by the way, so go and blame school for that. I'm taking 5 classes this semester, so, you know, I really have to like focus and stuff. So I really appreciate all of you for your patience, you know, blame it on school, okay? But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.